Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, NateVlog here. And yeah, 2023, Philippines. Can you believe it? So anyways, we're starting this day out with the pool. So this is the pool of the hotel, top floor, 35. Little RJ right there. So yeah, it's summertime here, so let's take advantage of this nice pool here. Let's get it. Refreshing. Alright, let's get some laps. Just finished up the pool. Now we're gonna get ready and go eat. Special place, get ready. My favorite. Been craving this for such a long time. Let's go. Okay, so just got ready and I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten since yesterday or something like that. I know it's been a long time for sure. Oh gosh, getting ready. What's going on around here? All ready to go, freshened up. Matching, kind of like, see, top, bottom, top, right? I can't believe I'm back in the Philippines. Our first walkout. Crazy, unbelievable. Wow, it's like I was just here, you know? I was just here. Wow. Wow. Alright, anyways, right now what we're gonna go do is we're gonna go check out Burgos Street because they always update it and they always have new things, so let's check it out. Of course we have this one. I just saw this on Netflix the other day, Psycho. That's a really good movie. Anyways, alright, look at this. This is different. This is new.
Been in the Chinatown yet? Did you check it out? What is the word?
So here it is. This is what I saw last time that I wanted to try. Coyote ribs and barbecue. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Is it still not open? And then you have this. Fire, what's that? Neon lights, bar and club. Always something different. Look at this. There's Cheers Bar. Classic place. Gonna have to check that out. Getting too close to the cars here. Anyways, so what we're gonna do now is gonna head to Greenbelt 3 and go to Mr. Korea, the best of the best Korean barbecue. Excellent. All right. I forgot all about the wires. How can you forget? Yup. Craziness. Check this out. This is new. O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's. AutoZone. One of my favorites. One buko?
With paint and chip.
Spilling. Alright, fresh buko. Here we go.
Where's Rico?
Here we go. on our way. Mr. Korea. Okay, so we just arrived. Here we are. Mr. Korea. Oh my gosh, I missed this place. You have to select the all the different things. So we got pork and chicken. Look at that. 549 pesos. Legendary. Alright, we got our cucumbers. Cheers. Gotta get this thing heated. Do you remember how to do this? Okay, so I'm gonna try this fish cake thing. She said she wanted me to try this. Is it spicy? You don't know? Ooh, that's kind of big. Alright, here we go. Fish cake. Squishy and that's hot. Wow, that was fire. That is so hot. So think about a cake made out of fish. This one's oranges. That's not what I ordered. I know. We got a lot of things she ordered. She chose it. Wow, we got a whole grill here. God, my hair is crazy. Alright, anyways, here we go. I haven't eaten since last time on the plane, so yeah, starving. Whoa. I've been thinking about this place at night for the past 5 months. Craving it. Ooh, that's spicy. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Look at that. Don't you want to have this bite right here? Spicy. Oh.
That's big. And
so good, huh? Yeah, you see, I told you, she loves it. Still waiting on our rice though. What's the name of this?
enoki.
Milk tea?
Enoki.
Enoki.
You sure, Steven, huh? You want me to pay for your rice? It takes 10 to 15 minutes. Okay.
10 minutes. I don't like mushrooms.
I like it. You don't like it?
No. That's all for you. Oh! Is cheese dunk ready?
Yeah.
Let's put this in the cheese dunk.
Maybe you're allergic to it.
Cheese dunk. Super hot. Oh. It just get better and better. Look at the macaroni. You like macaroni? You don't like macaroni? Oh yeah. Back home this would cost 20 plus. You don't like? Wow. Uh-oh. Burrito time. Excellent. Uh-oh. What's this? Look at that. We finally got some rice. Look at that. How long that's it? Like pretty much all the food. It's all gone. Sticky rice.
What meat do you want?
Kimchi.
What meat do you want? This one?
never knew that. And then she rolls it. God, my hair's so messed up. Oh. Here we go, big bites, spicy. Good job. Excellent. Starting to get really full, but we still have stuff on the grill. Check it out. Oh my gosh, how are we gonna finish this? Look at that. How are you gonna finish all that? Oh my gosh. Bill, 1,156 pesos, which equals $20. Pretty good, huh? Pretty good. $10 each. I think it went up though. I think before it was 15. I'm trying to remember. It's been a while. But yeah, alright. There we go.
Are you ready?
Full. Done. So, wait. So, hold on. Let's think of the review. That was a 9 out of 10 for me. How about you?
7.
7 out of 10. Wow. I guess she didn't like it. Maybe she didn't think it was the best of the best. It sure is packed here on a Saturday. Right now it's Saturday. And I'm just getting my glasses made here, so it's $50 for transitions and blue tint. Pretty good. I think this is mango.
Yes, sir.
It is? Oh, there's durian. So let's see what you got. Earrings and a nice channel ring.
Chanel.
Okay, focus. Looks good. Very good. Stuffy. I already have this one. But this is actually a darker blue. I have a lighter version. Do we need this? Alright, so here's the new glasses. What do you guys think? Does it look good? Kind of looks like the ones I was already wearing, but turtle shell version. And think about that, all that just for $50. Pretty good deal. Wow. That's why you gotta go to third world countries to get your stuff done. Yeah, no, but seriously, you do. I mean, glasses I got costed $300 for my sunglasses and glasses. Okay guys, well, this is the update. I'm getting so tired, RJ's getting tired, and the jet lag's really kicking in. So I think we're gonna head back now. I'm beat. Like, we're trying to look for things and our minds are just lost right now. We're just like, so draggy. Anyways, let's go find a transportation home, maybe a taxi, and see if they don't rip us off. Do I remember how to do this? Alright. So what do you have there? Your favorite. Take a bite. Oh. My turn. Black. She loves that stuff. With matcha. Okay, so now we're gonna go get our grab. She wanted her little dessert. She always needs that. It's her favorite. Favorite, right? Alright, where's the grab?
3 minutes away.
Okay. Let's get there. We're looking for our grab. Where is it? Where could it possibly be? It's black? Like that?
Blackish red.
Okay, here it is. Alright, just made it back to the room, extremely tired, gonna rest, and we'll see if we'll go out later, I'm not sure. But yeah, good day so far. Great day. Great day? Good, right? Chocolate lips. Cocoa.